How to get an SFC license vertical by SFPM Consulting. Steps. 1. Determine if you need an SFC license. Determine if you need a license through the interactive licensing tools. Step 2. If you need an SFC license, you will need a My CFIA account. If you are creating a My CFIA account, the user guidelines are beneficial to navigate through the account creation. Step 3. Before your license application, you will need the following information. Quick fact for SFC license: the benefit of applying for a single SFC license is that it saves application time and cost. The disadvantages are if the CFIA suspends or cancels the license, every single activity associated with the SFC license is also suspended. To avoid the above, we usually recommend our client to apply for multiple SFC licenses if the activities are different. Example: a local manufacturer that manufacture products for Canada and the US market will apply for 2 SFC licenses. One for manufacturing and distribution for the Canadian market and another, exporter SFC license. Documentation requirement: preventative control plan, customer protection plan and traceability. There are a few key activities that determine the type of documentation that you will need for the SFC license. We like to categorize them as manufacturing, export and import. Based on these critical activities, we help our clients develop the right set of preventative control plans that best suited for their business needs. You will find our blog on the development of the preventative control plan and customer protection plan helpful to get you started on the program. Step 4. When you gather all these documents, you are ready to attest that you have all the documentation, submit the application and pay for the license fees. It takes about 1 to 2 weeks for license issuance. While not all preventative control documents will be reviewed, it is important that you have the document available for the CFIA to review when requested. If you are looking for assistance to prepare for your SFC license application, we'd love to help. Let us help you with your SFC license application and meet the SFCR application deadline. Contact us at info@spinfoodconsulting.com or 236 513 2488.